I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the headset ready. Update the Quest 2 and the Oculus app so recording features are current. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Device, right arrow Microphone, and make sure the mic is enabled and permissions are granted. This lets apps capture audio. Next, test the mic quickly in a party or voice command to confirm input levels. If you skip this, your recording may be silent. Make small adjustments to volume so the capture won't clip during gameplay. Now choose how you'll record. For most users, use the built-in capture. Press the menu, start recording, and toggle include microphone so your voice is embedded. For higher quality or multi-track control, cast to a browser or connect to PC via AirLink, or link cable and capture with OBS. In OBS, add the Oculus Audio or virtual audio device as an input. Once connected, check levels in OBS and set any noise suppression or gain so your voice stays clear. Finish by stopping the recording and exporting the file to your PC or mobile. Play it back immediately to confirm audio presence and sync. If audio is missing or low, make sure the headset mic isn't muted, the app level include microphone option was enabled, and mobile Oculus permissions allow microphone access. As a troubleshooting tip, reboot the headset and app, and if issues continue, test an external USB-C or Bluetooth mic. This isolates hardware faults and often restores consistent audio capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.